welcome to Epic Gameplayer Og, and this is Toby's account, and he said, well, I said that I'm better at making cars than him, so today we're going to see if I'm right, but I think I am.
But I guarantee I'm not.
It is you though saying it, it's not me. So let's go and see. By the way, is this your crew colour?
My old one.
Just so you know, I can't make it very good if you want, like I am now.
Good try.
By the way, if you're watching, you could copy the colours, because we're kind of, even though I'm showing them up and showing that I'm better at making cars than him, I'm kind of helping you how to make cars look better. Right, where's the colours? Each way. Prime colour, classic. Oh.
Isn't this your old one?
What?
Isn't this like your old one?
Yes.
Why did you put it grey?
Because it's actually quite nice.
Well, you had that. No, you didn't have that. You had that. Yeah. This car is actually a real life car, guys, so I've actually seen it.
Just so you know, I'm showing him off, and this is the car I got in my garage, and this is how I pull it. But I'm not going to do the same wheels. I don't feel like doing the same wheels. I'm going to put something else.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think that's the car, isn't it? Yeah, put them black.
Real tight. Look at that. Put them that.
And red tyre smoke.
No. You might be like, oh, it's white, but it's just
actually grey. You can see it actually on the screen as it is white, but actually it is grey. Get out the car and walk around it. So basically that is a car, and you do have the right to copy it, so yeah, fair enough, Kenzie, that is quite nice, and thank you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.